Okay, we're here at the property located at 11002 MOBBERLEY Circle in Orlando, Florida. This is located in the Eagle Creek Golf Community. This is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, single family home with a 3-car garage. We'll do a walk around the outside of the home. Do a quick view of the patio area here before making our way back to the front. Little wood storage area. Let's go ahead and make our way inside. As you step inside the property, you're going to notice a very large foyer. It's an open plan with the kitchen off to your left, family room off to your right. You're going to have a nice bonus room office immediately to your right. Master bedroom is downstairs to the far left. Straight ahead is the sliders to the outside backyard, and then to your left is going to be your stairs to the other 4.5 or 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Here's your bonus room and office. Your family room area. Notice the pass-through gas fireplace. Beautiful spacious kitchen. Granite countertops. Stainless steel appliances. Make our way into the master bedroom. Large spacious master bedroom with tray ceilings. Sliders to the back patio. Here's your half bath downstairs. Again, with access to the outside area. As we come down this hallway, we'll find the utility room. Sinks, hookups, cabinets, counter space. We make our way up to the very large finished floor 3-car garage. And we make our way upstairs. Up here we'll have a bonus room area. Yeah, let's go ahead and go straight into the guest bathroom. Bedroom 2. Spacious walk-in closet. Let's go in. Here we are at the bonus room area. Notice the pass-through. Upstairs balcony overlooking the golf course. Next bedroom. Looking at high ceilings, these are probably about 9 or 10 feet. Dual sinks. Private commode area. Make your way back down the hallway, past the bonus room. Into the very large game room. Complete with personal sink for entertaining, closet, overlooking the front part of the house. Offering its own private bathroom. That concludes our tour of the property located at 11002 MOBBERLEY Circle in Orlando, Florida, located in the Eagle Creek Golf Community. Brought to you by Legends Realty.